So here's how to turn off or how to disable the always on display on your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Swipe up and go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to lock screen and always on display. Tap on that. And then you can either disable it from here by turning off that toggle button, and that's going to disable always on display, or you can tap on always on display and turn it off from here. Now, in case you're not sure whether you want to turn it off, you can leave that on and then choose when to show the always on display. So instead of showing always, you can set it to tap to show. That means your always on display will stay off until you tap the screen once, and then it's going to show. But otherwise, if you really want to turn it off, then that's how you do it. Just turn it off like that, and you'll no longer see the always on display. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.